Alright, how can we create our first product on Podia? Well, we'll simply go to the products section, okay? Here, if we click on all products, we can see all our products. As you can see, I don't have any yet. So, let's click new product. Here they'll ask what type of product we want. A course, webinar, coaching session, or bundle. The bundle is a collection of products. They really give us quite a few options right off the bat, huh? I like that. So here we'd simply choose an option, for example, the course, and we'd name it AI code, okay? Then we click create project, and that's how we'd create the product. As you can see, we have an example here with a text lesson and an added video. It's as simple as adding lessons, you know. It reminds me of any course creation interface where you click new lesson here. It lets you add text, embeds quizzes, coaching, or files, okay? Usually if we want to add a video, we'd add it under files. They probably have a local way to store videos, right? So as you can see, we can enter the title and file name here, okay? These are the file types accepted for thumbnails like PNG and others. Not sure if they have a built-in viewer or if you need to save the video. I hope they have an internal viewer. It doesn't say, but I assume they do, don't you think? Well, we can obviously edit the sales page and other stuff. If we go back, we can see we can also create a webinar, okay? To sell access to a Zoom or YouTube webinar, right? We click on create product. As you can see, it says this name is taken, so let's use another one. Yeah, but I didn't want to create a course. I wanted to make a webinar. Products, new product, webinar, create product. There it is. All right, let's set up the Zoom meeting. A webinar is basically, well, a live stream, right? Or YouTube live plus the sales page and all that. Here we'd put the YouTube live or Zoom link, right? Whatever we've chosen and the timing when we'll be hosting that webinar, instructions describing what it's about, okay? The replay option so people can rewatch it after it's done, and reminders, got it. So yeah, reminders for them to leave their email, okay? That's how we can create our product. Of course, we have coaching sessions too, which work similarly to the rest. It's that simple.